Hi guys, good morning. Alam niyo po guys, yung talbos ng kamote na pinakuluan guys, huwag niyo pong ito na po yung dahon guys, oh. Huwag niyo pong itapon yung niya guys, yung sabaw. Dahil pwede itong gawin yung juice guys. So ito na po yun, oh. Diba color black? Color black guys. Tapos lagyan natin ito ng kalamansi. So mag-change color ito guys. Look at this. Yung color black kanina guys, nagiging siya guys, oh, color pink. So nagiging from black to pink. It's a black pink. Diba? Wow, maganda na yung kulay guys, oh. Maganda ng kulay guys. Ayan. Yan. Yan ang kalamansi. Dito guys, meron ito ang gawin kung yung dahon, di ba? Gawin ko itong salad guys. So, di ba? Kaya, nilagyan ko ito ng honey guys, yung sabaw. Kaya, inuman na guys! Sarap! Tatlong nito guys, may kamote juice, mayroon siyang kalamansi, at saka honey na, with honey siya guys, yung pampatamis. O, diba? Ito naman guys, yan. Buhos natin dito guys. Yan, buhos natin yan. So, yun, ganito na guys. Okay. Ay, sorry. Thank you for watching guys.